Welcome back to another Best Choice review. Adjustable beds are becoming more and more popular because they allow everyone to customize their sleep experience with just the push of a button. But how do you decide which bed is right for you? Start by asking yourself, what do you need most when it comes to a bed? Do you need to improve your sleep quality? Do you suffer from back or shoulder pain? Maybe you just want to enjoy the comfort of a customizable bed. The luxury of an adjustable bed base is that there is something available for everyone. In this video, we're going to break down the top 5 adjustable bed bases and find what's best for you. For the record, these reviews are based on our personal findings and general user experiences. For prices and links to the products, just check out the information in the description box below. Products in this review will be listed in descending order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end to hear our top pick. And if you like this video, let us know by giving it a thumbs up and leaving a comment. Even if you disagree with our ratings, we want to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Best Choice reviews of this year's top products. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Ideal Bed Base. Full articulation allows the head to be adjusted up to 70 degrees and the foot up to 48, giving you the ability to adjust to virtually any position or angle. Innovative foam padding added into the upper deck increases structural support and extends the lifespan of any mattress. The ultra-quiet motor has an 850-pound capacity per unit, and the zero-clearance design is made to fit inside an existing bed frame. The Ideal bed includes state-of-the-art features that allow for full customization via the one-touch comfort preset memory positions, like zero gravity, anti-snore, and flat. The full body massage feature has 3 intensity levels and 4 modes, including wave, pulse, and constant, with a 10 to 30-minute timer option. There are even 2 USB charge ports conveniently located on each side of the bed to charge your mobile devices or tablet. Other convenience features include under-the-bed lighting, a remote safety lock feature, a massage timer, and programmable memory positions. In terms of downsides, this bed base is on the heavier side, and it does not include a wall-hugging feature. One of the best parts about the Lucid L300 adjustable bed base is that it can reportedly be set up in 5 minutes only. The bed base is backed by a 10-year warranty and is available in both queen and twin XL sizes. Independent head incline is 0 to 60 degrees, while the foot incline is from 0 to 45. Thicker mattresses don't necessarily bend very easily with the head-foot incline of this bed, which is why Lucid mattresses are recommended for this base to ensure that it works to its full advantage. It doesn't have many extra features like massage or under-the-bed lighting, but it does come with USB charging ports and a programmable remote. Overall, this is a solid bed base and an affordable choice if you are just looking for the comfort of an adjustable sleep experience. Spen & Son's adjustable bed base has independent pillows that make reading and watching TV that much more comfortable. It has 3 preset positions and 1 customizable position. The bed base has multiple level massage with pulse, wave, and full body vibration. It includes dual USB charging stations on both sides of the bed, and all the functions can be controlled with a mobile app for both iPhone and Android. A great feature with this base is that it does have wall hugging and lumbar support. Unfortunately, it is a bit more expensive compared to similar brands, and it does not include an option for elevation lift. The classic brand adjustable bed base comes in at number 2 for being our best value. The base comes with a USB port and head and foot massage. There is a wireless remote with a programmable elevation positions preset that automatically adjusts to meet your comfort needs. This makes it an excellent choice for those who suffer from sleep apnea, acid reflux, and high blood pressure. This base is also capable of wall hugging, and it's rated as being beneficial for people who have lower back pain. A downside is that it doesn't have a customizable memory position, but its lifestyle and health benefits, along with its state-of-the-art features, make this an excellent value. Taking our number 1 spot is Leggett & Platt's K Plus 2.0 adjustable bed base. If comfort is paramount for you, then you don't have to look any further than Leggett & Platt. The pillow tilting feature is what really puts this model above others. It also includes customizable and preset memory positions, full body dual massage with waves, and wall hugging. Everything on this base is controlled through a backlit wireless remote. All the features such as the zero gravity button, flat, and 2 custom programmable positions can be stored on the memory button. Also, the snore feature adjusts your sleeping position to open your breathing passageways, making it a favorite among those who sleep with a partner. Other perks include the under-bed light that can help you safely get in and out of bed when it's dark. Do you agree with our list? Let us know by posting your own recommendations, comments, and questions below. And if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more Best Choice reviews. Thanks for watching.